How to resize rows and columns in Google Sheets. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Google Sheets. Now you want to hover your mouse over the border of the row or column until when you see that your mouse has turned into a double arrow, then you can drag. Now you want to drag until you are satisfied with the size of this column. Now let's go ahead to do this for the row. Highlight, put your cursor on the border, and then guys you want to drag, and that is just it. That is how simple it is to achieve this. And let me also show you the second way you can achieve this. Now go over to the column that you would like to resize, and then I'm going to highlight it, and then you want to right click, scroll over to where you see resize column and tap on it. And as you can see, the size right now is in 100, so let's double it to 200, and then I clicked OK, and you can see how big the column is right now. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing for the row. Now go to the row you would like to resize. You want to highlight that particular row, and then you right click on the row and then scroll over to where you see resize row and tap on it. Now you want to change the size to 200. You can see how big this row is, and this is exactly how to resize rows and columns in Google Sheets. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.